Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Prudent highlights poor facilities of government primary schools. Many schools still do not have their own premises and toilets. Some don't have compound walls, while some lack playgrounds. Prudent exposes Murmugaon municipality vehicles diesel theft. Workers steal diesel from the vehicles. Caught on camera. Will authorities act at least now? World observes Good Friday. Special Mass in Goan churches and chapels. Christian brethren remember sacrifices of Lord Jesus for mankind. Transport Department says Kadamba is paying price for its social service. Minister says buses on uneconomical routes and concession for citizens is adding to Kadamba losses. And India cricketer Suresh Raina inaugurates ZP Trophy tennis ball cricket tournament at Padney. Now the news in detail. Even after 50 years of liberation, primary education and schools in the state are not in a sound condition. Around 51 primary schools are run in rented premises. 22 primary schools have no toilets, while 25 schools are without water connection. Shockingly, 6 primary schools have no power connection and 272 primary schools do not have compound walls. Around 508 schools are without playground. Government has revealed all these facts in assembly replies.
Education Minister Manohar Parrikar had replied to a question on present condition of primary schools in the state. Question was raised by Alex Reginald in the House. There are 960 government primary schools in Goa. Many schools are waiting their own premises. Total 51 schools are run in a rented premises. 22 schools do not have toilets. Even minor girls answer the nature's call in an open area. Total 25 primary schools do not have water connection. There is no power supply in 6 of schools and students study in a humid conditions. 28% schools do not have compound walls, whereas 53% schools lack of playground. Maximum 6 schools without toilet facilities are situated in Salsit Taluka, followed with 5 schools in Tiswadi, 4 in Ponda and Kepe respectively, and 1 in Bardes, Murgaon and Sange. Altogether, 51 schools do not have their own premises and are run in rented place. Salsit Taluka tops with 11 schools. In Ponda, there are 10 schools, Tiswadi 7, Kepe 6, while Bicholi and Murgaon each has 5 schools, which are run in a rented premises. Government will have to make all their primary schools ideal place for education before passing the State Education Act. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
अपने ही घर में चोरी. It's shocking but true. Murmugaon municipality workers were caught red-handed while robbing diesel from their municipality's vehicles. Prudent has caught this act on camera. Nobody knows whether the diesel is sold or reused and how it has gone unnoticed for so long. Surendra Madkekar's exclusive report.
मुरगांव नगरपालिका वादविवादान सदांच आसा. कावन्सिलाच्या वादविवादान कावन्सिलर्स हे वादविवाद आसता. पण आयज आमी तुमकां अशी एक नजरेक हाडून दिवंक सोदता की मुरगांव नगरपालिकेचे गार्बेजाचे आनी बाकीचे अशे 16 जवळ जवळ ट्रक आसा आनी तेंचेर काम करणारे ड्रायव्हर सगळेच न्हू पूण थोडे ड्रायव्हर डिझल कशें चोरता हें तुमकां आमी दाखयता. ही ट्रकाची डिझेलाची टँक आसा. ह्या डिझेलाच्या टँकान पायपां घालून तोंडांतल्यान ओडून ते कॅनांनी भरता आनी भायल्या भायर व्हरून विकता जावं कोणाकूय दुसऱ्याक दिता. आमचे कडेन अशे विज्युअल्स आसा की ड्रायव्हर म्युन्सिपालिटीचे जे ट्रकार काम करता ते डिझेल काडटा आसतना आमचे कडेन विज्युअल्स आसा ती तुमी पळयात. हेचेर म्युन्सिपालिटी दखल घेतली काय कितें आनी ह्या ड्रायव्हरांचेर शिस्तभंगाची कारवाई करतले काय कितें. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकईकर.
Christian brethren all over the world observed Good Friday. This is the day when Lord Jesus was crucified. Churches and chapels held special masses on this occasion. Let's have a look at Good Friday services in Goa.
After Jesus was betrayed by his own apostle Judas Iscariot in the Garden of Gethsemane, he was arrested and he received a scourging with whips before carrying his cross to Calvary. At 3 p.m., darkness covered the whole land and Jesus breathed his last. Jesus was then nailed to the cross before his own mother.
वरवीं आमकां धुवन काडून नितळ करूंक मागुया. आयचो दीस सगल्या पातकांक देवा सरची परतून येवंक बोळ मागुया. जे कोण पातकाच्या रेबडान जियेतात तांणी देवा सरची परतून येवंक खिरी तो वेळ आमी बापाक भेटुया. हो वेळ चड पवित्र वेळ जेन्ना जेजून क्रुसार आपलो प्राण सोडलो, आपलें बलिदान बापाक केलें, आमच्या जोडेकल्याचे पातकाचे बोगसणे जोडून घेतले आणि आमकां बापाची भुरगीं केली.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.